Welcome back to my channel. This plant lifestyles. On my channel I teach about plants, their spiritual use, their health benefits. Today I'm going to talk about the Jatropha plant, and then talking about the green Jatropha. People have been asking me the green Jatropha, the difference between the green and the red Jatropha. Yes, the green Jatropha has its own benefits, and then the red Jatropha has its own benefits, but there are some common benefits between both of them. So the green Jatropha is a plant that we use spiritually and then physically. The green Jatropha is used to fight against evil eye, witchcrafty, and then bring positivity to oneself. This plant can be planted in your house. Yes, so in the olden days, our great grandparents, where they were that we have this big compound house, you will see that this plant will be planted within the compound, and then they will be hanging some kind of toys or some kinds of idols on it, because this plant was possessing some kind of spirit that was no nonsense plant. This plant, if you try to think negative things against someone, this plant finds itself in the community or in the environment, and even if you are the owner and you are planning nonsense against someone, it won't allow you. So in the olden days, people will be planting it in their house to protect themselves from witchcraft. So when the witches arrives in the compound, they just contact this plant. They will just come directly to this plant and beg of you. So if they talk with the plant, and then the reason when they are coming, you have done something wrong or you have done something nonsense, and the plant will just give them the permissions to harm you. So always make sure you, the owner, your brains or your head or your mind is always clear. Make sure your hands are always clean. So when you know that you've done something wrong, so in the olden days when they've done something wrong, they will just use an egg, and then they will just recite what they've done on it, and then they will ask for some kind of forgiveness, and then they will rub it all over their body and strike it under this plant before going to sleep, because they knew that when they don't do that and any evil comes, the plant will just leave that evil to come and work against them. So this green Jatropha was like a god. So I have a video on it about this green Jatropha, where I use scalpels or knife to cut part of it, and it looks like blood. It's not blood, it's the kind of liquid that finds in the plant. So this plant, the upper part and the lower part have two different liquid in it. So the upper part contains whitish liquid, the lower part contains reddish liquid. That is the mystery behind this plant. The lower part contains something like blood, like reddish color, but the upper part contains a milky whitish color. Yes, this plant is used to, in the community, is used to brush our teeth. So in the morning you get the leaves and then add small amount of charcoal. You use it to brush your teeth. In fact, your teeth will be shining. Yes, I've personally used this plant for sometimes during the 2000, 2001, 2002, I was using this plant to brush my teeth when I was young. So this plant is very powerful. Once again, this plant is used to treat typhoid fever. When you get the leaves, you just get the leaves of the green Jatropha. Just get the leaves and boil it. Drink the decoction for about 4 to 5 days, and you are good to go. This same plant was used for this kind of in the olden days, when the boys or the young boys are playing, they will just cut the stem. They will model it in a form that it will look like a gun. Yes, it will look like a gun, and then they will use the cassava stick. There is a foam inside the cassava stick. They'll just remove that kind of foam, put it inside this molded gun, look like gun, and then they will just strike it, and it will just sound like gun. It was wonderful. And one day I'll teach you how to do it in a tutorial. Yes, I'll do a video on it and I'll do it, and then I'll show you how to do it. Yes, so this green Jatropha, people have been also asking, does it cure HIV? Does it treat it? Does it do this? Does it do? The red one is so powerful in that aspect of curing the HIV virus. This one can manage it, can boost your immune system to manage your HIV, but this one will not cure it completely. Know the difference. Yes, but when it comes to spiritual aspects, the green Jatropha is also powerful. The green Jatropha is also powerful in the spiritual aspect. So each of the plants has its own strength and weakness. Yes, so plant lifestyles teach plants their spiritual use, their health benefits, and how to use them to protect yourself. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you don't understand anything, just comment and then I'll do video on it or I'll reply you. My number is on the screen. You can also contact me for us to talk. Some people will just contact you and say that I saw a video on your channel. What were you talking about? They will not even mention the title of the video. They will not even mention, because I have plenty of video. They say I saw your number on a video and I didn't understand the video. Which video? I have plenty of videos. So which video are you talking about? Sometimes the person will also screenshot the video, and then after screenshotting the video, the person will just tell you, I don't understand everything. It means that the person didn't watch the video. At least watch the video. Get me a point where you didn't get it, or what you don't actually understand. Don't say the whole thing. If you try to do that, I try not to answer you, because it means that you don't watch the video at all. You want me to explain the video again, or if the video is there to explain everything. Yes. So watch the video. Where you don't understand, jot it down. Send those questions to me and I'll answer you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.